In this video, I'm going to show you how to monitor partner metrics using PartnerStack, a powerful platform that can help you track and optimize your affiliate or partner programs. If you're new to the software, stay tuned because I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to get started efficiently. And by the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to leverage the platform to its fullest potential. Plus, I'll show you how you can access this tool for free through an exclusive offer I've got for you. Stay tuned for that at the end. Monitoring your partner metrics is crucial to optimizing your affiliate or partnership strategy. PartnerStack makes this process seamless and intuitive, allowing you to keep track of performance in real time and make data-driven decisions. Whether you're tracking conversions, commissions, or partner activity, PartnerStack's dashboards are designed to give you an overview of all the important metrics. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your PartnerStack dashboard. When you first arrive, you'll be greeted by an easy-to-read overview. You'll see key metrics like your total partner revenue, new signups, and overall performance. This is where you can get a bird's-eye view of how your program is performing. To dive deeper, navigate to the Partners tab, where you can filter by individual partner performance. This allows you to track each partner's activity, from the leads they've generated to the commissions they've earned. PartnerStack allows you to track this in real time, so if you're noticing any discrepancies or need to make adjustments, you can take immediate action. This makes monitoring your program much easier than relying on manual tracking or other disconnected systems. Another key feature to pay attention to is the revenue section, which lets you track how much revenue your program is generating over time. It will show you a detailed breakdown of earnings from each partner. You can filter the data by specific timeframes to see how your program is performing in the short term versus long term. And the best part? You can also track metrics like conversions, sales volumes, and the overall success of each partner campaign. With all this information available, you can make smarter decisions about how to scale your program. The platform even offers tools that allow you to set goals and compare performance against these benchmarks. This helps you ensure that your partnership program is always aligned with your business goals. One of the most important aspects of monitoring metrics is being able to track commission payments. In PartnerStack, you can track all commissions paid to partners, and the system automatically calculates and updates their earnings as they bring in new leads or sales. You can set custom commission structures for each partner or group, ensuring that everyone is properly compensated. For more granular tracking, you'll also want to explore the Reports section, which allows you to download detailed performance reports. These reports can be customized to show the data you care most about. Whether you need a quick snapshot or a comprehensive breakdown, these reports give you everything you need in an easily digestible format. Now, if you're looking to monitor partner activity beyond the basics, PartnerStack allows you to track custom partner attributes. This is particularly useful if you want to segment your partners based on their performance, region, or other custom metrics that are specific to your program. This level of customization helps you personalize your partnership efforts and make smarter business decisions. If you need to get a more granular look at specific campaigns or offers, PartnerStack allows you to drill down into individual campaign metrics. You can track how specific campaigns are performing and see which partners are driving the most successful results. This helps you understand what works and what doesn't, so you can optimize your strategies moving forward. By now, you should have a good understanding of how to monitor partner metrics using PartnerStack. The platform makes it easy to stay on top of your affiliate and partner programs, helping you track everything from conversions to revenue and commissions. But wait, before you go, don't forget that you can try PartnerStack for free through the exclusive link below. This offer includes an extended trial so you can explore all the features and see how it can streamline your partner program management. So if you're serious about growing your affiliate or partner programs, now's the time to take action. Click the link below to get started with your free trial of PartnerStack and watch your program performance soar.